Today, we are diving into the world of plant-based goodness with these 3 amazing tofu salad recipes. If you're looking for dairy-free vegan alternatives to your favorite classic salads, you've come to the right place. We'll be showing you how to create delicious substitutes for egg salad, chicken salad, and potato salad, all using versatile and protein-packed tofu. Whether you're a seasoned vegan or just trying to incorporate more plant-based meals into your diet, these recipes are sure to satisfy your cravings and impress your taste buds. So grab your aprons, we're about to get cooking. But first, hi there, my name is Mary Ellen, and this is my YouTube channel. Life is messy, but I'm learning as I grow. Please take a moment to subscribe so you never miss one of my daily videos. Share this video with someone you think that would enjoy it, and your comments are always appreciated, so please leave me a bunch. You can also support my channel by checking out the shop links on this video. I have included all of the supplies you need to make what we're getting ready to make. So if you're looking for something, especially something hard to find, check there. All right, now let's get this party started. so much for watching till the end of the video. I hope you have a great day. And if you want to watch more videos, you can watch this one over here in the corner next. And don't forget to subscribe, which you can do here. And also, if you're interested, I do have several books for sale, which I have linked down there. Thank you for subscribing. Make sure you hit the follow button so you don't miss any of my daily uploads. And I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day.